Hi guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This time I have the Hamilton Beach toaster. It has a bunch of functions, so let's talk about it, all right? This is an extra wide slot toaster. It has a 2-slice capacity, but you can get the larger one if you would like. We have a bagel setting, which I love that because now you can toast one side and just keep the other side warm. It has a high lift toast booth, so you don't have to worry about burning your hand as you go inside. And it does have the browning level 1 through 6. And it comes with a crumb catching tray. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We have our instructions. So let's take a look at our buttons. So we do have the cancel button, the bagel button, and the defrost, as well as our temperature modes. Actually, this is 1 through 7. They snuck an extra one in there. I did not see that. So 1 through 7. Here is the crumb tray on the bottom here. You just kind of tug here, boom, dump it out, wipe, 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 pull it back down, and we're locked back in. So here are your slots. Remember, it does have the high lift feature as well. Also has the bagel feature, so it's gonna toast one side while just keeping the other side of your bagel warm, which is perfect for me. So there's nothing else left to do but get to toasting. We have our Hamilton Beach set to medium. A nice, even toast, light and airy feel to it. So make sure you add this to your cart.